Welcome to English Together. Learn real English with Lina and Sam.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Today, we are talking about a very important topic: how to ask questions politely in English.
Yes, this is very important for speaking with confidence. When we ask questions politely, people feel comfortable. They feel respected.
Many learners know how to ask questions like, "Where is the bus stop?" or "What is your name?" But sometimes those questions sound a little direct.
Not wrong, just a little too strong.
So, today, we will learn how to make questions softer, kinder, and more polite.
And don't worry, we will keep the English simple and friendly.
Let's begin with one small idea. Polite questions often start with words like could, would, may, and please.
Yes, for example, instead of saying, "Give me the menu," we can say, "Could I see the menu, please?"
Same question, but now it sounds polite, gentle, and respectful.
Let's practice together through conversations and examples.
Sam, imagine we are in a classroom. You want to ask the teacher a question. How can you say it politely?
I could say, "Excuse me, may I ask a question?"
That is great. Simple, soft, and polite.
Or I can say, "Excuse me, could you please explain that again?"
Yes, the words "excuse me" are very helpful. They show respect before asking.
And when we ask politely, the listener feels happy to help.
Now let's talk about asking for help in daily life.
Good idea. Many people need English for real situations.
For example, asking for directions.
A direct question sounds like, "Where's the train station?"
Not wrong, but a little strong.
A polite version is, "Excuse me, could you please tell me where the train station is?"
Same meaning, but friendlier.
And even a shorter polite version is okay. "Excuse me, where is the train station, please?"
The word please makes a big difference.
Yes, one small word, but very powerful.
Let's do another example. Asking for information at a shop.
Direct question, "How much is this?"
Polite question. Excuse me, how much is this, please?
Another version, "Could you tell me how much this costs?"
Very nice. That sounds kind and professional.
When we sound polite, people often respond more kindly to us.
Now let's talk about asking personal questions politely.
Yes, sometimes people ask personal questions by mistake.
For example, how old are you? Or how much do you earn? These questions can sound rude in many situations.
But if we must ask, we should use soft language.
For example, if you don't mind me asking, how old are you? Or, may I ask how long you have worked here?
This sounds respectful and careful.
Now, let's move to polite questions at work.
Yes, this is very useful for learners who use English in jobs.
Imagine you need help from a coworker.
Direct way, "Send me the file."
Polite way, could you please send me the file?
Even softer, "Would you mind sending me the file when you have time?"
That sounds professional and kind.
Polite language helps teamwork.
Let's practice asking for permission politely.
Good idea.
Direct way, I leave now.
Polite way, "May I leave now?"
Or, could I leave a little early today, please?
These questions sound respectful and responsible.
Now, let's practice in a restaurant situation.
Yes, many learners need English in restaurants.
Example, could I see the menu, please?
Would it be possible to have some water?
May I ask what today's special is?
Could you please bring the bill?
All polite, calm, and friendly.
Now let's talk about tone and emotion.
Yes, polite questions are not only about words, they are also about how we sound.
If we speak slowly, smile gently, and use a calm voice, our question becomes more polite.
But if we speak fast or angry, even polite words sound rude.
So, tone plus words equals polite communication.
That is a great reminder. Now, let's practice a conversation with polite questions.
Yes, let's do a simple example for beginners.
You are in a library and you need help.
"Excuse me, could you please tell me where the fiction section is?"
Sure, it's on the second floor.
"Thank you very much."
You're welcome.
Short, simple, polite.
Let's do a longer conversation example.
Okay, I will be the customer and you will be the receptionist at a hotel.
Sure. Let's begin.
Excuse me, could I ask a question?
Of course. How can I help you?
Would it be possible to check in a little early?
Let me check. Yes, that should be fine.
Thank you. And could you please tell me what time breakfast starts?
Breakfast starts at 7 a.m.
Great. One more question. May I ask if there's Wi-Fi in the rooms?
Yes, there is. Here's the password.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome.
That felt very polite and comfortable.
Yes, polite questions make conversations smoother. Now, let's practice softening strong questions.
Yes, sometimes questions sound too direct, like commands.
Example, why are you late?
This sounds angry.
Polite version, may I ask why you were late?
Or could you tell me what happened?
These sound caring instead of angry.
Politeness helps us avoid conflict.
Let's also talk about using would you mind?
Yes, this is a very polite way to ask someone to do something.
Example, would you mind opening the window?
Or would you mind speaking a little more slowly?
This feels soft and respectful.
And the usual polite answer is no, not at all, which means I don't mind.
Now, let's practice asking questions in a classroom.
Yes, very useful for learners.
Example, excuse me, could you please repeat that?
May I ask what this word means?
Would it be okay if I sit here?
Could you explain this part again?
These questions help learning and show respect to the teacher.
Now let's do another real-life situation, asking for help with English.
Good idea.
Excuse me, could you please correct my sentence?
May I ask if this pronunciation is correct?
Would you mind telling me a simpler word for this?
These questions show humility and motivation. Now, let's talk about politeness and culture.
Yes, in many cultures, direct questions are normal.
But in English, especially in professional or formal situations, polite forms are preferred.
Polite questions show respect, patience, and kindness.
And they help us build better relationships.
Absolutely.
Let's do a role play in a doctor's office.
Yes, slowly and gently.
Excuse me, may I ask how long the wait will be?
Could you please tell me when the doctor will be available?
Would it be possible to reschedule my appointment?
Very calm, respectful, and clear.
Now, let's practice asking questions when we don't understand something.
Yes, many learners feel shy, but asking is okay.
Excuse me, could you please say that again?
Would you mind speaking a little slower?
May I ask what that means?
These questions are polite and helpful.
Now, let's do a friendly daily life conversation example.
Sure.
Excuse me, could I sit here?
Of course.
Thank you. And may I ask what time the class starts?
It starts at 9.
Great. Could you remind me where the classroom is?
Yes, it's on the first floor.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Now, let's practice turning statements into polite questions.
Yes, great idea.
Statement, you are late.
Polite question, could you tell me why you are late?
Statement, close the door.
Polite question, could you please close the door?
Statement, give me your phone number.
Polite question, may I have your phone number, please?
Politeness changes feeling, not meaning.
Exactly.
Let's also practice asking favors politely.
Yes.
Would you mind helping me with this?
Could you please show me how to do it?
May I ask you for a small favor?
These questions sound kind and respectful.
Now, a conversation about travel.
Yes, very useful.
Excuse me, could you please tell me which bus goes to the airport?
May I ask how long the journey takes?
Would it be possible to buy a ticket here?
Clear, polite, and friendly.
Let's do one more long practice conversation.
Yes, this will help learners feel confident.
You are at a bank.
Okay.
Excuse me, may I ask a question?
Of course. How can I help you?
Could you please tell me how to open a new account?
Yes, you need to fill out this form.
Thank you. And would it be possible to get help with the form?
Yes, I can help you.
I really appreciate it. Could you also tell me what documents I need?
You need an ID and a photo.
Great. Thank you very much for your support.
You're welcome.
That conversation sounded comfortable and respectful.
Yes, polite questions create positive communication.
Before we finish, let's share an encouraging message for learners.
Yes, asking polite questions is not only about English, it's about confidence and kindness.
Every time you ask a polite question, you are growing. You are improving your communication.
Even if your grammar isn't perfect, politeness makes your message beautiful.
Step by step, question by question, you are becoming a better communicator.
Keep practicing, stay patient, and continue learning.
And remember, your voice matters.
And your questions are important.
Keep going.
We believe in you.
Yes. Like this video and share it with a friend.
Keep practicing. See you next time.